Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into something I've been testing for weeks now.
So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a new tool you can create your AI videos for free. So just in case you don't have money to subscribe to Super Grok, you can still make use of other free AI tools to continue your content creation. So if you want to know how this tool works, make sure you go ahead and watch this video till the end. If this is your first time on my channel, on this channel, I test and review different AI tools. So if you love this type of videos, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like this. Also go ahead and join my free AI community. The link is in the video description down below. So with that said, let's jump right back into the tutorial. Alright, so all you need to do is to go over to Google and type Google Vids. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down here and click on Google Vids Sign In. Now, if you have been using this platform for your AI video generations, chances are that you are using this platform the wrong way. So stick around, I'm going to show you guys what you might not know that exists on this platform. So click on it, it's going to load up and take you right here. Now, you don't need to create an account. All you need to do is to come over here and click on View 3. Guys, you can also make use of your mobile phone to generate your videos. So you don't need to have a laptop in order to do this. So just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open up and take you right here. So this is the homepage of the platform. Now, if you come over here on the side where it says AI video clip, you can see that the AI model we are using on this platform is Google Veo 3.1. And we all know that Google Veo 3.1 is not free, but we are getting access to it for free on this free AI tool. Now, with this AI tool, you can also extend your videos. So don't worry about the 8 seconds you are seeing right here. You can actually extend your videos the same way you can extend your videos on Grok AI. And you can see right here, they generate videos in 720p with audio. So the video you are going to be generating will be 8 seconds, 720p. I'm also going to show you guys how to add voiceover on this platform as well. Now, over here where it says create from scratch, and you can see create from scratch, generate a video from text and images. So you can animate your images here to upload an image, give it a prompt, and the AI basically turn the image into video based on your description. So you can see right here, you can create video from text. You can also animate an image here, turn an image into a video. So to generate video from prompts, all you need to do is to come over here where it says describe your 8 seconds video. So all you need to do is to go ahead and enter your prompt right here. And over here, this is where you can select the aspect ratio. So you can click on it here and you can select either portrait, which is 9:16, or landscape, which is going to be 16:9. And that is basically a horizontal video. So in this case, we are going to leave it on landscape. All right, so all I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and paste in the prompts right here. So once I paste my prompt, I'm just going to come down here and click on generate. So once I click on generate, you can see right here, your video is generating. This might take a few minutes. You can close this panel and we will notify you when it's done. And you can see the percentage right here. Once it's reached 100, the video will be ready.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so the video has been generated as you can see right here. So let's just go ahead and view the video. I'm just going to go ahead, click on it.
Baby, run fast. It's getting closer to us.
And guys, you can see how high quality this video actually looks. Now down here, you can see there is a watermark, but that is not an issue. You can basically go ahead and crop it out in your video editing tool. So that is basically how to generate videos from text. Now the second thing we are going to do right now is to go ahead and animate an image. So to do that, just come over here where it says create from scratch, click on it and select animate an image. And right here, we are going to paste a new prompt. Now, before we do that, we need to generate our image. So for me, I'm going to come over here to Gemini and generate my image. So I'm going to generate an image here. I just pasted my prompt and click on submit. All right, so after generating the image, I'm just going to go ahead, download the image. Next, I'm going to come back here, click over here, agree to this, select the image, click open. After that, I'm going to go ahead and now add my prompts here to animate the image. Then I'm going to come down here and click on generate. Once I click on it right here, you can see the video is currently generating. So Once it's reached hundreds, we are going to see the results.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so the video is ready. Let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on the video.
Always remember why you chose each other. I am so proud. I love you, Mom.
Alright, so you can see how the video is super clear, super realistic, and the sound is also incredible. Now over here, you can go ahead and regenerate it just in case you are not comfortable with it. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys how you can extend this video just in case you want your videos to be longer. Alright, so to extend it, all I'm going to do is to go ahead and remove the first prompt. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste the second prompt. That is the continuation of the story. So I'm just going to come down here, click on generate, and you can see the video is generating. So let's go ahead and wait.
A few moments later.
Alright, so the video has been generated. So you can see these are the two videos here. This is the first one. This is the second clip. I'm going to go ahead, click on it right here.
Always remember why you chose each other. I am so proud. I love you, Mom. No more tears now. You look beautiful. I'm just so happy.
Alright, so you can see how high quality these videos are. So you can basically generate videos here from text and also turn your images to video on this platform, all for free. Now another thing I want to show you guys in this video is the option to actually edit your videos inside this same AI tool. So instead of making use of CapCut, you can actually make use of this same platform to edit your videos. So for example, this is the first clip we actually generated. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on insert here, and it's going to insert the video right here. You can see the timeline here. So let's go ahead and add the second clip. I'm going to go ahead and click on insert. It's going to take us here. So we are going to go ahead and click on insert a new scene. And you can see right here, the second clip has been added. Now, after you add all the clips of your videos here, you can go ahead and click on share and then title your video, then click on save and download it to your laptop or your mobile phone. Remember, you can use your mobile phone to also do this. Also, another thing I want to show you guys is the voiceovers. So if you want to add voiceover to your videos, you can just go ahead, click on voiceover here. This is going to open up, and over here you have the opportunity to enter a script for the scene. So if you want to add another voice here, all you need to do is to write your script and then click on change, and everything will be changed in this clip. Now, if you want to do the same thing with the second clip, you can go ahead, click here where it says next script, and then you go ahead and do the same thing. So after that, you can go ahead, download the video and polish it in any other video editing tool you want. These are some of the things you can be able to do with these free AI tools. Of course, this is not unlimited, but if you hit a wall, you can change your account and continue with your video generation. So thanks for watching so much. Once again, don't forget to leave a like to this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.